guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my clear lip gloss base, pretty much how to make clear lip gloss and how I fill up my gloss bags. For those of you guys who are interested in learning how to fill up the gloss bags or learning how to make clear lip gloss, this clear lip gloss base, you can use it to make pretty much any color lip gloss that you want. It's ready to use. You just have to add your pigments, your lip liquids, your flavoring oil, and those things like that. These are available on my website. If you guys are struggling with making your own lip gloss formula, got you covered. So you guys could purchase it in the link down below if you guys are interested in that. But for those of you who are interested in learning how to fill up the bags and just how to make lip gloss in general, because you have a lip gloss business or you're interested in starting a lip gloss business, in this video I'm not going to be showing you guys measurements. I have my own specific measurements that I created that I like for my lip gloss, but this video is going to show you the ingredients that I use to make my clear lip gloss base. So yeah, if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you stay tuned. But before we get into the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you guys know every single time I upload a new video. And don't forget to go follow me on Instagram at Shelly's Daughter and at Shelly's Daughter Beauty. I'm trying to figure out if there's anything that I'm forgetting before I jump into the video. Pretty much everything I'm using in this video as far as ingredients I got from tkbtrading.com, because you guys always ask me where do I get my supplies from, and majority of the supplies I get, like the lip gloss base, the pigments, the colors, some of my flavoring oils I get from TKB Trading, and some of my flavoring oils I get from Amazon. Before you guys ask any questions, make sure you watch the entire video, because sometimes you guys will ask me questions that I actually answer in the video, and that lets me know that you guys didn't fully watch the video or you skipped through the video. So make sure you watch the entire video before you ask any questions. And also, a lot of the questions you guys asked me I have already answered in previous videos, so I have a bunch of videos that you guys can watch. I have about 18 videos or so of like me making lip gloss, me talking about you know, how I started my lip gloss business, how I organized my business, how to make a logo. I have tons of videos for you guys that are super helpful. I will link some of them down below, and I'll also link my started a lip gloss business playlist down below, so you guys can check those videos out. If this was helpful, let me know by liking the video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video, and if this is something that you're interested in, stay tuned. So jumping straight into making lip gloss, I already have my lip gloss base, my Versagel, in my bowl, and I'm adding in my fractionated coconut oil that I get from TKB Trading. You can also get coconut oil from Amazon as well. And I'm also adding in my hydrogenated polyisobutene, and I get a lot of questions on why I use this oil in my lip gloss, but I like to use it because it adds extra shine and smoothness to your lip gloss. That's my personal reason, but you don't have to use it. And then I'm adding in my clear vitamin E oil that I get from TKB Trading as well. So all three of these oils are from TKB Trading. I know unfortunately you can't really order from them right now. You can only order lip gloss base, but once they start shipping again, you guys can get all those oils from them. And now I'm just mixing up my lip gloss. And like I said, I'm not sharing my exact measurements with you guys, but I'm showing you guys the ingredients so you guys can create your own formula with the same ingredients if you guys choose to use these ingredients. You can use different oils. You don't have to use what I use. This is just how I like to make my lip gloss. And this is the consistency that I like. So yeah, just mixing it up. I literally, like I said, I was really mixing it for like 5 minutes. I didn't say it, but I typed it up on the screen. I was mixing for 5 minutes. And these are the liquid pouches. And I got mine from Amazon, but you can also get them from opentip.com or Amazon, either or, but they're called liquid pouches. Because I know you guys are probably driving yourself crazy trying to find those bags, because I know I was. And I'm filling up my syringe. And as you guys can see, this syringe is huge. It's a 300 milliliter syringe. And I got that syringe from Amazon as well. And I'm using this really big syringe only for my plain lip gloss base, the ones that I use for my starter kit and for my clear lip gloss base that I sell individually. That's why I got that big syringe, just to make my life easier, because the first time I did my lip gloss bags, girl, I was struggling using the 60 millimeters. So I was like, I'm going to invest and get myself a big one, a 300 ml. Okay. You need it. And it is, you know, it's a lot of work to get that gloss in the bag, but it makes it so much easier because I'm not constantly having to stop filling to, you know, scoop more gloss into the syringe. So it helps. And I'm using the table, because you really have to use a lot of strength to squeeze that lip gloss base in there. Unless you have somebody else to help you, they can hold the bag and then you can squeeze, or vice versa. But yeah, so I'm just scooping in more lip gloss, and I have a scale right there. The silver thing you see in the corner of the screen is my kitchen scale, and I'm using that to measure out my gloss in the bag. So I'm filling up a 10 ounce bag and an 8 ounce bag. The 8 ounce bag is the size that I put in my lip gloss kit, and the 10 ounce bag is the size that I sell individually. But yeah, the scale, my kitchen scale, I got from Amazon as well. I'll have it linked in the description box below in case you guys are interested in that. It was super affordable, like $10 or less. And yeah, I really hope that this video was helpful for you guys, as far as, you know, showing you how to fill up the lip gloss bags. I'm not sure if there's an easier way to do this, you know, a way so you have less contact with the lip gloss base, but you know, as long as you stay sanitary and sterile, keep your gloves on, you know, keep a clean surface, you should be good. But if you guys have any easier methods to do this, please comment it down below and help your girl out, because this is a struggle. And I was just squeezing the base back in there because it was leftover, and I'm still gonna use that lip gloss to make more of my other lip glosses that I need to restock, because girl, I need to restock really bad. And I'm using some alcohol and a paper towel to clean off the nozzle of the pouch bag, just to keep it nice and clean so it's not messy whenever my customers get it. And then I'm putting the lid on, the cap, whatever you want to call it, a lid, a cap, and yeah. And so that's the two bags, the 10 ounce bag and an 8 ounce bag, and I put it in the bowl so I can wash it. And now I'm using antibacterial soap to, you know, kind of clean and disinfect the bag. And you can use a little bit of alcohol in your mixture as well. But yeah, don't make the water too hot, because I made the water way too hot. My hands were burning. And I'm just using a little bit of alcohol and a paper towel to wipe down the bag now to get as much of the residue off as possible. And then I'm going to label the bags as well, so you guys can see what the labels look like on the bag. It's all cute. And the labels, I get my labels from Avery.com. So take a screenshot right now so you guys can have that if you want to order the same size. And yeah, that's my 8 ounce one. And then these three are the 10 ounce size bags. Super cute. That was me making my lip gloss bags. I hope this video was helpful for you guys who are trying to expand your business to start selling lip gloss base or doing starter kits or anything like that. And yeah, I have a video as well, and I'll link that video in the iCards right here, of me putting my lip gloss starter kit together, if that's something that you guys need help with. We literally just hit 8K. We just hit 8,000 subscribers today, and I'm still kind of in disbelief, like, what? In August, I had 400 subscribers or 450 subscribers, something like that, in just August. But I've had my YouTube channel since 2016. So think about how fast that growth was. Over 7,500 subscribers from August to today, which today is, I don't know what today's date is. I'm all confused because we've been stuck in the house. I don't even pay attention to the calendar no more. I think today is Saturday the 24th, 25th. I don't know. What's today's day? Wow, it's the 28th. See, my days are all messed up. Today is Saturday the 28th. But yeah, so, or March 28th. Yeah, March 28th. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Video was helpful. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment below any additional questions. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And ring that bell, ding, so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every last one of you. I really do, from the bottom of my heart. Like, you guys have given me so much motivation to continue to push forward in my YouTube, you know, my business, everything. You guys really send me so much love and support, and I appreciate you guys so much. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.